if you're working with data. Whether you're in marketing, product, research, or analytics, you've probably heard the term EDA, or Exploratory Data Analysis. But what exactly is it? In this video, we'll walk through what EDA is, why it matters, how it's done, and how AI tools are reshaping the way we explore data. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is EDA? EDA is the initial step of data analysis where we examine, visualize, and understand our data set. It's like the getting to know you phase between us and our data. Instead of diving straight into complex statistical models or algorithms, slow down. Let's take a closer look at these figures. We need to examine the types of variables, how they interact, whether there are missing values, outliers, or inconsistencies, and whether the data itself is even reliable. Taking daily sales data as an example, EDA reveals which days tend to perform best, and what unusual patterns might need a second look. In a word, EDA is about turning raw data into structured understanding, and preparing you for deeper analysis or decision-making. Now, you might be wondering, why is EDA so important? EDA is the foundation of any successful data-driven project. It ensures the data is clean, consistent, and complete. The assumptions are valid, and the analysis starts from a solid foundation. By understanding our data, we can choose the right analytical techniques and models. Without EDA, we might use wrong models, misinterpret trends, or make flawed conclusions. EDA not only saves us time and resources, but also increases the accuracy and effectiveness of our data analysis. When we talk about how EDA is done, there are a few typical steps you'll go through. First, you start with structural checks, looking at the shape of the data, the types of each variable, and whether there are missing values. Next comes univariate analysis, where you explore individual variables using histograms, box plots, or basic statistics like the mean and standard deviation to get a sense of their distribution. Then we move to multivariate analysis. Examine relationships between variables using scatter plots, correlation matrices, or grouping data to see how different factors interact. After that, it's important to check for outliers, values that stand out from the rest. These might be errors, or they could point to something worth investigating. And finally, we do some basic data quality checks, like spotting duplicates, inconsistent formats, or anything else that could cause problems later on. In tools like Python, this process is typically done with libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. But it's time-consuming, requires code literacy, and becomes difficult to scale with large or messy datasets. This is where AI-powered tools like PowerDrill come in. PowerDrill can automatically summarize dataset structure, surface key insights and trends, generate relevant visualizations, highlight outliers and variable relationships, and even suggest follow-up questions or hypotheses. When you upload a dataset, PowerDrill does all the EDA work for you. You can generate a report and convert it directly into PowerPoint slides. No coding skill needed. PowerDrill saves your time. To summarize, EDA is the foundation of good analysis. It helps you explore, clean, and understand data before doing anything else. And with AI tools like PowerDrill, you can do all this faster and smarter. Ready to explore your own data? Visit powerdrill.ai and try AI-powered EDA.